We're here back at X5, lot X5 in Edison Mobile Estates. As you know, we like to give you a weekly update of what's going on with each house as we develop and build the houses. Today you can see that they were here drilling the holes for the tubes that go in the ground beyond the frost line, and they get filled with concrete, and that creates great stability for the house. The foundation is the primary thing we work on first, and then the rest of the concrete slab will be on the rest of the outside, where we can come over here and take a look. So basically, first they form it out, we have inspections all along the way, and then if you come up here, you'll be able to see that they build drill the hole all the way down beyond the frost line. We'll have the inspector look at that again also. So there's inspections all along the way. And then we'll take this black paper, cover the area. Well, they'll be filling that with concrete. They'll cover the plastic. This is a vapor barrier that we use that helps with moisture and mold resistance. And then we'll concrete the whole thing. So it's a lot of concrete, it's pretty expensive, but we feel like it's the longevity of the house and builds a great foundation, and it will stand the test of time. So we really do things right the first time because they feel like it's best for everybody. So this house is already on location. It's in a different location, temporary. As soon as this starts progressing, we'll be moving the house over, and then, like I said, every week we'll be doing an update showing you the progress. Thank you so much for visiting again. Please like and subscribe, hit the little bell, and you'll get notifications every time we upload another video. And share with your friends. This house is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and all the particulars and details are in the comments below. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.